Last night we had a snowstorm. So what does it mean? It's a storm with widespread snowfall accompanied by strong winds. So when we woke up this morning, this is what we got. This is at the back of our house where my she shed is located. So there's no school or offices in those affected areas here in Toronto or in the GTA.